Everybody, this is Victor,
Nice to meet you.
Paulette, and Denise. They're from Lego, and they want to know about what we do with Legos here. Today we're at Davis Middle School, and we have the privilege of having Victor Saeijs, the president of Lego Education, come, and he was able to experience what is special about Compton, and then our intentional use of bringing Legos into our classroom education.
I've traveled to many different parts of the US, but I actually travel all around the world. And I have to say today with Compton, I was very impressed with what I saw. The essence of Lego Education is to bring hands-on learning around subjects like science, computer science, robotics, and coding. I think Compton Unified School District is definitely amongst the top, I would say, globally, in how they're looking at bringing their children, their kids, to the level where they want to be. The children clearly are well prepared for taking their lives into their own hands and further their learning. The methodology of making sure that all the focus is actually on the students and learning essential kind of concepts in STEAM, where 51% of the students actually are moving into a STEAM career, which is by far higher than what you see anywhere else in the US. That is hugely inspiring, and I saw that today also in the projects which the students were showcasing to us.
Thank you once again for Lego Education's partnership with Compton Unified and for visiting us today here in Compton.
We love Lego!